Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I was sent, oh my gosh, isn't it gorgeous? I was sent this deck. It is the Goddess Essential Oil Oracle, and it's by Poppy and Ladybug. They are a woman-owned, family-run, and sustainably minded small business that believes intuition is our strongest muscle. So this is their self-published Oracle deck, and they also have other products as well. So I am really excited to open this up and look through it because, oh my gosh, this wrapping is just so beautiful. It is stunning. Look at that with the wax seal. So this booklet inside is made of 100% recycled paper, and they printed it on cards with carbon neutral printer. So I'm really excited. Let's get this open. Okay, look at that. Oh, look at the little ladybug. It's a sticker. Live lightly, strengthen intuition, nurture the feminine. This deck was created with the hope of familiarizing us both with both the powerful energy of the many goddesses and the many benefits of essential oils, creating a fusion of energy that can be connected with and drawn on for guidance. Each goddess and oil were paired with intent to help convey their essence and offer gentle guidance. While the hope is that you develop a relationship with each goddess and oil, having each oil in the deck is not necessary. Many oils are common spices or plants found around the home. Some of the oils may be in teas that you drink or body care items you already use. Beyond the essential oil form, you can smell it in spice form, light a candle scented with it, cook it with the culinary form of the plant. A connection to the associated oil can creatively be incorporated when the essential oil isn't available to you. You can also tap into the described energy of the plant and goddess and see what that awareness brings. You may pull one card or do a specific spread. The relationship and connection you have to the cards will be very specific to you. The information provided in the following pages is just a snippet of all there is to learn about the goddesses and essential oils. Any information that resonates with you invites you to take a deeper dive down the rabbit hole and build on what we have provided. Our hope is that however you prefer to work with your cards, it results in strengthening the intuitive voice we all possess, allowing your intuition to be trusted as you go about your day to day, embracing the comfort cycles and the flow of living lightly. Oh, we do have a table of contents. Oh, I love it. And then it has essential oil safety, which is important. And then it goes into the cards. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, and there's another sticker. Cute. I love those. Oh, there's another one. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sure I'm messing that up. I'm probably supposed to see them when we pull the goddesses, but that's okay. So let me get rid of the cellophane and I'll be right back. Okay. Alrighty, here's the back. How fun. And if you could feel the cards, they feel like butter. They are that like velvety, I don't know how to explain it, but oh, they feel so soft and so nice. Alrighty. Look at that foiling on the bottom. Oh, so far I love this. This is so fun. I can't wait to see how they shuffle. Look at that peacock. The colors are vibrant, but they're not in your face going crazy. Like it's not assaulting your eyes. How fun is this? Honestly, you can feel the love and the thoughtfulness that was put behind this. Oh, wow. Shakti? go. Oh, that's cool. Reminds me of that quote, "We're all made of stardust." I really like with this deck that it really focuses your eye on the particular goddess. Oh, Diana! That's really cool. The backgrounds are not overly crazy. I don't know, it's just a different deck. It kind of reminds me of the Earthcraft Tarot, or the Earthcraft Oracle in a way, with the backgrounds that are a little bit different. It feels, you know, handmade, but in a good way. It doesn't feel rushed. It doesn't feel like it talks down to us. Everything feels intentional. I'm excited to start reading in that guidebook. This one's really cool. I really enjoy the color combinations on each card. I love that. Oh, we've got peppermint. I love the feel of these cards. Cute. Like the little moon phases. I'm wiggling them just so you guys can see the foiling names down there, because I'm not sure if or what the camera is going to pick up. Artemis! Cute. I love that. It looks like the sun is shining down. Oh, she even has freckles. Cute. I love all of the diversity, even even the shape-shifting kind of diversity. It's great. I don't recognize some of these, so I can't speak on how accurate any of it is. I'm just going by how I feel about it. I really like this art style. This reminds me of the star card. I kind of really dig that. Got 2 more. Oh, Saraswati. So pretty. All right, let's see how this shuffles. Ooh, they're really flexible, but that's awesome. There we go. Yeah. So let's take a look at it real fast. It's very flexible. It's on the thicker side than the thinner side, and it just has that like velvety, buttery feel that you don't get with mass-produced cards. Oh, yes. All right, can we get a card to read, please? There we go. Demeter, Ginger. Okay, let's take a look in the guidebook. We're going to go to the table of contents. Okay. Oh, it gives you the pronunciations. Oh, I love it. And where they're originating from. So Demeter is Greek. Demeter is the goddess of the harvest and oversaw the fertility of both land and people. However, she is also worshipped for her mother's spirit. Hades kidnapped her daughter, and she searched for her tirelessly. Demeter's control over the seasons is credited to this period of searching. The winter and fall occur because it is during that time her daughter is with Hades in the underworld. The spring and summer represent her safe return. She is often pictured with a torch, symbolic of the torch she carried while looking everywhere for her daughter. Demeter's maternal drive to search endlessly for her child speaks to her strength to nurture and to protect. Ginger also has an affinity for warming us, making us feel comforted and safe. It offers wonderful support to the heart and helps to circulate those feelings of protection and rejuvenation. So we have the chakras. We have the first for nurturing and support, second for creation energy, third for nourishment, fourth for unconditional love, and fifth for protection and purifying. Oh, we have an affirmation. I am not lost. I am safe and warm, protected by so much love. I really like this. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh. Cute. I'm kind of shook by it a little bit because of how much thought went into it. I love the additions of the chakras. Oh, there's just stickers all over the place. Oh my God, I love it. I feel like not only is this an affirmation, but it's, you know, the divination of the card that you are, that you pulled. I really, really like this. I like how, you have the pronunciation, because you know your girl has the worst time pronouncing anything. So this helps tremendously. I love the idea of everything being sustainable. The ink is printed on with the sustainable ink, carbon neutral, I should say, printer. So this, I mean, oh my gosh, I'm really kind of excited to start using this because it's just bursting with a lot of the different goddesses. I love the connection with the essential oil and the chakras. I love the art style. I think this definitely is made with love and passion for the goddesses and divination in general. Thank you so much to Poppy and the Ladybug. This has just been such a wonderful surprise. I am excited to start using this. I would love to know what you think. I forgot to tell you how much this deck retails for, and it is $45. And per usual with all of my videos, I will link in the description box where you can purchase this and their social medias. That way you can check them out and see what other goodies they have in store. Thank you so much again to Poppy and the Ladybug for sending this my way. It is just stunning and gorgeous. Thank you for thinking of me and our subscribers here. I would love to know what you guys think about this deck. Let me know down in the comment section below. Is this something that you are interested in? Is this something that you are drawn to? Or are you just not into all of the goddesses, or it's not your thing? Please let me know down in the comment section. I love hearing everybody's thoughts and opinions. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I just appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.